The reason I put together this video review is to go over whether Rocket Spanish is for real or not, and if you are a tourist or a traveler or a business person going to a Spanish-speaking country, you basically want to learn Spanish quickly, effectively, and you want to be able to talk to someone, have a conversation while you're there. In this video, I'll go over whether Rocket Spanish will help you do that or not. To give you a little personal history on myself, my name is Fred Jackson. Over the years, I've taken a number of Spanish courses, and I've spent thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars doing this to learn Spanish. And I remember one time I was in Cuernavaca, Mexico, and I was trying to speak to this man, and I could not understand him. He could not understand me either, and I became frustrated and I felt defeated. And part of the reason to do this video is to prevent you from having this same feeling. And after this, I looked around and around, and I found Rocket Spanish. And let me tell you, it's been a godsend. It helped me learn Spanish quickly at a low price. And it's helped me to hold conversations, to speak with people when I go to Mexico or I go to Peru. It's been great. And I'm not the only one. Rocket Spanish was given a PC Mag Editor's Choice Award, which is a great honor. And I wanted to show you some of the features of Rocket Spanish today as well. One of the advantages of it is it's very simple, it's very well designed and laid out. And this is the main My Dashboard, where you can see what you've completed and also your course recommendations based on your ability and your experience. This is an advantage compared to competitors because a lot of them do not have these customized recommendations or lesson plans for learning Spanish. Another great thing about it is its content is great. There are about 30 plus audio lessons, 30 plus language and cultural lessons. And I'm going to go into the audio lessons here. And the great thing about these audio lessons or conversations are they are real life, everyday conversations. So you learn words and phrases that you're going to use over there. And a lot of you have heard before when you go to another country. What do you do for a living, for example? You can see it's written out and it's also spoken so you can hear it. I'm going to go into practice. And another great thing about Rocket Spanish are the tools that it has available. One of those is Rocket Record. You can listen to a Spanish speaker. And then you can record yourself. ¿Estás de vacaciones? And then you can play yourself back. ¿Estás de vacaciones? This is a great tool for learning your accent and pronunciation and comparing that to a Spanish speaker. The cultural lessons up here are very cool as well. And what's great about them is they teach you about Spanish-speaking countries' customs, which help you to fit in. And another thing I should mention is the same person throughout. His name is Mauricio. He does all of the conversation. So you see here Mauricio. You can listen to him, and his voice is very simple. He's very clear. He's very easy to understand. A lot of competitors, like Rosetta Stone, you listen to a lot of people, you have different accents, you have different pronunciation, and it's very hard to learn Spanish. And then there's some great other tools here, like My Badges. And this is the one reason Rocket Spanish is a lot of fun. You're given badges based on what you complete. And also, if you're competitive like me, you can see how other people are doing online compared to you. So overall, I rate Rocket Spanish very highly. It's benefited me a lot to learn Spanish and to speak it. And I suggest you click on the link below to buy it and learn more about it.